Is there a better way to discover extraterrestrial life? Yes. This video explains how. Astronomers currently use transit spectroscopy to discover life on exoplanets. As a planet passes in front of its host star, a tiny fraction of the stellar light passes close to the exoplanet in a straight line towards Earth. This may capture a little of the exoplanet's atmospheric composition that may exist. When such light reaches Earth, it can be analyzed. But transit spectroscopy is a very hit-and-miss procedure that does not work well. The light is typically drowned out by the starlight coming from the same direction. There is a much better way called the FET method, short for Finding Extraterrestrial Life. This is how it works. When the host starlight hits the exoplanet from behind, some of the light will diffract around the exoplanet. The following image shows how diffraction works. This is how all eclipses work. The light we see coming to Earth from an eclipse is diffracted light, which is coherent light. It is light that has been absorbed at the horizon and then emitted in straight lines over and beyond the horizon, as shown in this image of an eclipse. The big misconception in astronomy is to think that light can bend, that the light we see in an eclipse is starlight that is bending around a planet and coming to Earth. This is not so at all. Light can never bend. The light from an eclipse is diffracted, coherent, polarized light coming from the planet's surface. This misconception is greatly holding back the discovery of ET life, and also much other scientific progress. Coming back to the FET method, it involves capturing the coherent light that we already receive continuously. Then, it's just a matter of analyzing the light in a spectroscope. Computerized spectroscopy makes it possible to separate coherent exoplanet light from incoherent starlight. Once the coherent light is separated, it can be fully analyzed to reveal a cornucopia of information about the exoplanet's surface and the possibility of ET life. Distance is no object because we are already continuously receiving coherent light from exoplanets thousands of light years away. The FET method is fully explained in the book, Final Theory of Light and Finding Extraterrestrials. Please do subscribe.